If you sometimes take notes, maybe you use a program like Obsidian. Did you know it has Vim key bindings? To enable this Vim key bindings or VI key bindings, you can go to Obsidian and Settings, open the settings. Then by default, it opens in Editor, in General, and click on Editor, scroll down, and you'll see this Vim key bindings options. If you enable it, it will ask you to type the command to quit Vim. If you don't know Vim, you can use the link below to learn Vim or practice with Vim. And once it is enabled, you can then use Vim key bindings directly in Vim. So for example, we can jump to the end of the line with $sign or 0 to jump to the beginning. We can jump 2 words. We can move backwards quickly or forwards. We can jump to the top of the file. We can search for something by escape / and let's say we search for the word world. And that immediately highlights that. So you have really the Vim key bindings that make you working or typing in Obsidian much faster if you're familiar with VI or Vim. If you're not, then it can help to learn this editor because you can use this in the terminal, on remote computers, and it will just make you a lot more efficient and productive if you know this VI and Vim key bindings.